Hi guys, I know you haven't seen me in a long time, but welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you an updated version of my curry shrimp recipe. Now guys, here you see a list of my ingredients. So join me as I prepare this recipe for you guys. Now guys, as you can see, it's store-bought and it's raw shrimp, so it has the shell and everything. So I'm going to be preparing this off camera, so continue watching as I do the preparation. As I said, off camera for the shrimp, so I'm just going to continue with the process of the herbs so you guys can see. Here I got my scallion cut up already. I got my ginger, my garlic, 1 carrot, tomato, onion, bell pepper, assorted colors, my thyme, my pimento, my curry, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, a little mixed herbs, and some salt for taste. Alright guys, so I'm just going to set the thyme on the scallion aside and start the preparation of my bell peppers. Just gonna clean this up. I know oftentimes you don't see me preparing these stuff. I do it off camera. Now it's whatever way you want to prepare it. You can dice it, you can cut them in cubes, or as I'm doing it right now, I'm going to be preparing this with some white rice, which is the preferred thing that goes with curry rice. Alright, so guys, watch as I deal with the bell peppers. Clean the guts. Hope you guys are seeing. Well, thank you guys. As I said, I've been off for a minute, busy, and for those who reach out and say, hey Dwight, what's up? Oh, I'm not seeing you. I appreciate you guys taking the time out to text message me and asking me and checking up. So guys, please remember, even if I'm not there, I have maybe what, 150 videos on my channel. Most of you I know haven't watched the 150 videos, so in the time that I'm not here, you can take the time out and just watch those videos, please. So thank you very much for checking up on me. Alright, so the bell peppers are ready. I don't think I need more than this, or I might just cut them in two. Now for the onion, I don't need the top. I'm going to cut these in rings. What I mean by rings is these, so I just open them up, so I just cut them in rings. So normally you guys see me present the finishing, so now you're seeing me doing it how I do it. Alright, set that aside. Pepper, I'll just cut that later. The garlic, just cut it into some nice size. My eyes are burning from the onion. And then the carrot, I already washed it, so it's just to cut it in whatever shape that I want it to be in. Now for my carrots. I'm going to cut them in two. So I'm just making the big cuts first, and then the smaller cuts. Alright guys, so guys, when you join me next, I'll be just giving you the startup to the recipe, as in the preparation of the shrimp, seasoning and so forth. So guys, join me back in a few. Alright guys, so the shrimp, I had said preparing it off camera, so I seasoned it up, and now I'm ready for the show to start. So guys, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and just put in my herbs. All the potent ones, the garlic, the onion, the bell pepper, because you know it has in that chemical that you need to break down before you put in all the rest of the herbs. And you just saute it for about 5 minutes. Add a little more of the oil because I measured it, so I just use a little first and then I use the rest. Alright, add my bell peppers. You know me and the color. And guys, you have different ways of how you know, some people burn the curry first. I've done videos of it, of me burning the curry, but then you can add the curry right away. Just put it aside and then you just stir it in. There's many ways to do it. It's the same process. Give it that nice flavor. Ooh. And the garlic. And the pimento seeds. And now guys, I'm just going to set this aside and put in my shrimp. Just put it aside, and then when you're ready now, you combine everything together. As I said, I have shrimp videos up, but you know you can't do it the same way if you're doing a second video. You just, you know, twist and turn up the style, you know. So guys, as I said, I thank all of you for showing your support, you know, contacting me any way you can and asking me what's going on. You see it got that color, the shrimp has the color already. So guys, I'm just going to saute it some more, and then I'm going to add the coconut milk. Look at this beautiful color, beautiful. Then to add my carrots. As I said, many ways to do it. So you know, when you do it one time and you do it two times and you do it three times and you do it the same way, you know, you can add the ingredients them reverse way. You know, if you understand what I'm trying to say, guys, you know, you don't have to add the black pepper first. You can add this first, you know. Alright guys, so when next you see me, as I said, I'll be adding the coconut milk. So just take a look at the beautiful color that it has already, guys. Guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk. A little at a time, because this is not a lot of shrimp. It's just like a 2-pound bag, so just add guys. Now that the coconut milk is added, you just want to cover it up and let it simmer. Now I'm going to prepare the rest of my ingredients and the rest of my dish aside, and you guys see the finishing dish. Alright guys, so see you soon. Alright guys, it's just about ready. Gravy's thickening. So guys, what I want you to do now is get your plates ready and join me at the table. Okay guys, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, drop a comment, tell me how you love the presentation, and please guys watch the video from beginning to end. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, share with a friend, please. Thank you.